Ray, an expert on Stuart Robson up against Bayern Munich.
Well, thanks, Derek, as always. The scene is set, two good teams, a great playing surface and a vibrant atmosphere. It has all the ingredients for a really exciting game.
Well, what can they do to stop him running at them? But they dealt with the threat posed. Ronaldinho. Regained possession. Barca regaining possession. A meaty but fair challenge, and it will be a throw-in.
Watch the back. Keep your head up. Look wide. Look wide. Long.
Gullit.
Pressure. High pressure.
And support available. Well, that's how to do it inside your own penalty area. Corner for Barcelona. In it goes! The opening goal in this contest.
Well, here it is again. Just look at the quality of the cross. It's inch perfect, and it ends up with a fairly simple finish. Certainly.
So the ball rolling again, with the scoreline standing at 1-0.
Take him.
Good-looking sequence. A fine reading of the situation. Bellingham. Pele. Lionel Messi.
Get wide.
Well, with tackling like that, the onus is on the referee to take action, potentially. Well, he's gone into the book.
Well, he was late, and he deserved a booking for that.
And a goal to increase their advantage. It's a 2-goal lead now.
Well, here's the replay, and it all starts off with that cross into the box, just begging for a teammate to get on the end of it. And it's a comfortable finish in the end, which is made to look so easy. It's a lovely goal.
Lionel Messi. Well, didn't go to plan in the end.
Look up.
De Bruyne.